Hello. Welcome to our today's class. In today's class, we will learn about biology, chapter 17, health organization. In this chapter, our scope of syllabus is organizations and Red Cross and WHO. In this class, this is first part of video of chapter 17. In first part, we will learn organizations and about the Red Cross. In second part, we will learn about WHO. So first of all, organization worked at three levels that are local, national, and international. All the main terms or key terms are written with red letter. Then after that, what is Red Cross? Red Cross is non-official, non-political, international humanitarian organization. It is devoted to the service of mankind in peace and war. Means in war, the soldiers are not well, so they are healed. They are helped by Red Cross by conveying by Henry Dunant. Henry Dunant first saw that war of Solferino in 1849. Now, what is WHO full form? WHO means World Health Organizations. WHO has 6 offices in the whole world, and one of the offices is in India, Delhi. Now, UNICEF. What is UNICEF? UNICEF is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. In this Children's Emergency Fund means that children which are not well developed and which are not nice to provide them nutrition, United Nations help them. Now, FAO. FAO means Food and Agriculture Organization, and ILO, International Labour Organization. It was established as an official set of League of Nations to improve the working and the living condition of the working population all over the world. Means it improves the living conditions and working populations all over the world in technical world. And what is UNDP? United Nations Development Program. United Nations Development Program is about tech. It develops tech to achieve the objectives of good health. In first point we saw organization work at 3 levels. There are 3 levels: local, national, and international. Local levels means there are in villages or cities or towns. This is local level. That is government takes care of proper sanitization, proper environment, and awareness of the diseases coming. That is to achieve the objectives of good health of the people in the local bodies have the following specialized centers. Means these are the centers developed by in local bodies by the government, which are first maternity and child health center, which is developed by government. This is first, and second family planning centers, third community health centers, fourth nutrition education system, and fourth medical care centers. These all our centers are provided by our government for good health of people. To prevent, control, and the treatment of communicable diseases, of government has introduced as the following programs. Means these are at the national levels, and the programs which are at international levels are not mentioned here. So, what are on the national levels? Here it tells that our government has performed these programs. These programs are National Malaria Eradication Program, National Filaria Control Program, National Smallpox Eradication Program, National Leprosy Control Program, Tuberculosis Program, National Cholera Control Program, Pulse Polio Program. This all was the just introduction of Biology Chapter 7 Health Organization. In the next class, we will learn about WHO, and we will briefly study Red Cross. So please stay tuned. If you are new here, please subscribe our channel and like our channel. Please. Bye. Thank you. Have a good day.